In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a vintage style effect on your photographs using just your phone and Snapseed, which is a free app. Download it. So I've got a photograph here of some food. This was a particularly yummy baked feta. Yeah, look it up. It was delish. Right, dead easy this one. You go to Tools, go to Vintage, and then you have lots of options for different vintage styles. Okay, my top tip really is to start with number 2, then scroll your finger across the screen till you get to the style strength. Make it a little bit stronger. You can see that it's starting to look a little bit more vintage just by doing that. Go down to the vignette strength or vignette strength. Make that a little bit stronger. So what that does is it creates a darker sort of shadow effect around the edge and it leaves the middle, so you can see that. And then when you're happy with that, then go back into the options, which is the bottom right one, and then go through the different options that way. You get a better view, I find, if you tinkle with some of the options in one of the styles and then go through the other styles, so you get to see what the other styles are like. So I quite like a bluey style when I do my vintage styles, and I'm happy with that. Now the final thing you can do, or you may choose not to, is to put a blurred background. So the bottom left, you can see there's like some circular dots and with a line through. If you tap on it, it creates a blurred effect around the edge. That looks pretty cool, looks pretty vintage. I'm happy with that. I'm going to press tick, I'm going to go to export, and I'm going to save it to my device. Have fun!